Morning, everybody. I'm heading out to eat date with my friend Unose, the wife of that guy, or maybe let me say the family that organized us. You see those gifts, big Skaftena glass, and those and that black big wedding album. Yeah, that friend, the one I went with to massage this on this other vlog. Yeah, that one. So then later, and then I prepare something to eat. Okay? Two news for now. Awuvelanga.
The neon signs light up the night. Electric hearts in a city so bright. We're chasing dreams through pixel streams, dancing shadows under glowing beams. Let the rhythm take control. Feel the beat, ignite your soul. Colors flash, they paint the air. Hold the moment, nothing compares. Skyscrapers hum a steady tune. Stars colliding under the moon. Our laughter echoes citywide, a symphony where hearts collide. The echo of a fleeting glance, lost in the pulse of a reckless dance. Caught in the glow of fleeting time, a spark of love that feels divine. The echo of a fleeting glance, lost in the pulse of a reckless dance. Caught in the glow of fleeting time, a spark of love that feels divine. Let the rhythm take control. Feel the beat, ignite your soul. Colors flash, they paint the air. Hold the moment, nothing compares. Electric blue, we're alive tonight. Hearts on fire, burning bright. Keep us glowing, let it stay. Forever young in this display.
Star flows into the sky. The summer was alive, going to the end of time. I can see the daylight. I swear perfectly, even the end. Just so like a stranger, so far away from me. You said you're running for me, but I managed from our story. Baby, don't be sorry for me. Gonna just perfect story. You said you're running for me, but I managed from our story. Baby, don't be sorry for me. Gonna just perfect story.
Ngathi ndinguvuyo nkwenza uthi njalo Jalo, 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 jalo. Satina, siat misa watina jalo, 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 jalo.
Just perfect story.
Yeah. No, we are meeting in a restaurant. Woo, guys, sifikile. We are safety. Oh, Ganam, I know your smiles on camera, but oh, you're so cute. Oh my God, you smell. My baby. Now I'm gonna say a brand new cow.
Hey, yes, my baby.
Well, yeah, Papa. And you even like, no, you must not get into the restaurant first. Nifuna ukuva. Nathi mngani.
Ngicela ukuthi ndibudizile.
Bestie. Why ihlangu zakho ngathi ngathi nqobu size 2? Unqobu size 2.
Baba without flowers.
Oh, bestie, ay, ndiyaqala ukuzibona ezi.
Awuyaxoka usola kusithiwa every time you see flowers.
Hayi mngani, serious ezinyani serious. Ndiyaqaliwe kuthena sizoba ne-mix eziyi-2 in one color. Oh, bestie, thank you, mama. Woo, sana.
And the wine celebrate. But we can't even celebrate without.
I see the ring is back, bestie. Sikhumbule esa story se-rash.
No, see, we can't lie to this thing.
Look, no, my child, because why? Why?
Okay, ndiyakwazi mhlawumbe ukustress.
But Fra uyadika mngani izintwana ezi. Plus you know I'm
We're
good
celebrating
in women in the world.
Guys, the driver is
Oh,
Skadavu. Kuthiwani?
Skadavu man. Lokho la uthi hayi masihambe. Awuzazi noba uyaphi. Bethune.
Ngicela sihambe sive kancinci guys.
Iviwe.
Ngifuna ukuyiva kancinci.
Ndihlekisa nto uba uthe ufuna xa kwaseyiviwa. Ayisendivina but mhlawumbe uzadrivela. You wanna be behind the wheel. Ngade bani uzondithemtha ngezi chocolates sana.
Awusayithi chocolate.
Hayi ka nditya kayi-1 ndiphinde ndidayethi ndiphinde ndibuyele.
Oh my God, it drives so smooth.
It's so smooth, really? Maybe it's because bisenja mngani.
It drives so smooth, guys.
Ingathothi why nisala ngabantwana niyalelane ngabantwana. Hello.
Even if it's on the other side, it's fine. I keep seeing you.
Uthi kugcwele mngani.
It's all funny. You get kancinci sometimes.
Bathanda bagcwasa abaningi wena.
The tables are clear soon, so it's the fact that it doesn't take long.
Oh, there's a table over there.
Oh, perfect.
Hi guys, how are you?
We're good, thank you. Hello, thank you.
Okay, first time coming to this rescue.
I'll take you to all of them.
First time, first time, first time.
Enjoy it, man. How you doing, man? Enjoy it, guys.
For the what friend? Are you in one of the videos? Ufaka ama-ice lapha uthi did they last really?
ndibona ezilasta ii-roses kodwa ndibona ii-roses zizo ezilasta more sezidubule kufanele ndizithenge I think last week yazi uba zisadubula nangoku
Oh, so it means it's
zi-white and pink atsho kaloku it does not make the practical sense though because it dissolve really ice
So
now it's water
not only fragile ice all the time.
hayi ndifaka once so hence I'm saying maybe yenza sense for the I don't know how
You know how to do your makeup so well.
serious ngani
You actually don't really even need a makeup artist. You're good. But I'm sure it takes you time, ne?
Yeah, it does take time, Shem. But not kakhulu ke xa ndiyenza rhwarhwarhwa ndiyakhawulezisa. But yabona this time around, the time ndandifuna uyonantsika for imoto, this lady was watching 15 kilometers away. Xa nje appointment yami
Late
i-8.
anyway.
Shem.
Hi guys, it's another morning. I'm going to prepare food. So I'm preparing oats. Kalela ubis abantu bakhe bashoot. Nothing much. Toodles for now. Hi sisi. Kanjani mama? Ngiyakwenza oats yeva. Nqamisa. Nqamisa.
Can we buy you my skirt today?
welcome to another vlog. Igama lam Dungu Ikona, behind Keep Moving Dadewethu. Kule vlog, guys, I think there's a piece that I didn't post on a previous vlog, so I will attach it here on this vlog. I did go out with my other best friend. She took me out to celebrate Usqadaf, the new car. Guys, the celebration, they are still coming along. And my best friend, sweet Kota Betunana. Sancho, every day is the celebration. So yeah, I'll see you on this upcoming vlog, guys, but how it's gonna go down. It's Sunday afternoon. I'm gonna start off by cooking a Sunday dinner. I started very late because I was lazing around. I was still listening to myself. So I delayed it to cook. They were just eating bread there and used the microwave to do voros. And I didn't do the lunch. I'm about to do the dinner. Yeah. So yeah, I'll see what happens next. Laundry, what else? I did clean, I did change bedding on the previous vlog. I don't have much to do, shame. Maybe from here I'll vlog midweek or towards end of the week. Then I'll be posting this this coming weekend. Now let's cook, guys. Toodles for now.
think guys indlela esilate ngayo sana yo kumande unjani nalo guys it's bad, it's really bad, but yeah man sizaba right siqala usuku sibe optimistic, yeah, and enjoy the upcoming week. Toodles for now. Yo guys, it's a crazy afternoon after I walked out of Ackermans, because I went there to get umntanam iskirt. She's been persuading me to get a skirt yabo, so isikolo sabo does sell uniform, school uniform yabo. So however they're not strict on the skirts. Iskirt ungasifumana in any shop when you sithenge kubo. So one thing I didn't like about their skirts, I think I'm gonna contradict myself. Their quality is too much of a quality. It's too much of a good quality, such that it would be so hard to fold mnangokwam ndizigobele. Don't ask me why ndingazihambi siyozigobisa. Like I said, mna xa ndisafika endaweni andibe ndizazi indaba ndizogobisa apha endithini plus ixesha libikho. Kwangoku I had to squeeze myself into one after I get out of the office, let me get to a shop, because she has been persisting me to get a skirt. So I feel like sisakwa Ackermans okanye sasepep, if bendithenge pep, it was going to be easy to fold if there was a need, of which when I'm looking at the length it's not going to be needed to band this fold. So I felt like sasesikolweni equality yaso siqinile man, hayi siqinile man yo and if not size ezinkulu xa ngabe umntwana nomzimba njengowami, plus ke like the more you take a bigger size, it is the more you're gonna get a longer length. So hence ngisonqeni admin of is it folding or cutting? Yeah, cutting, but ukugoba that thing. Yeah, so I'm coming out from Ackermans. I see this guy who was walking sakugqitha like this ne mna benzongena exactly in another passage nje ncinana, catch elevator to here at the basement. Lo bhuti akandijonganga kanje, ndancama kwakhonto manjonga, xa ndijonga undijongile ndema wema wanjonga khupha ifoni nam ndema ndamjonga, instead ba ahambe guys because bebesuka ngapha siya le, instead of him continuing with whatever journey ebekuyo, he decided to stop opposite the shop le ebekade egqitha, which is the Ackermans. Hey sana ndangena kwa Mr Price cellular, ndacela omnye ubhuti wabengicela security sindikhaphe because ndiyoyika. Yilento ke bethuna iyibona ke, yilento ke iyabona, yilento ke singafuna ukufumana izabham, because sizawumedarisha abantu, sizawubulala abantu. At the same time I cannot say I'm capable of killing. I've never killed. At the same time, I'm not saying I'm not capable of killing. Uyabona ke lento ezowenza basifumane izabham sidubula abantu siyoba
wabahalalisa kokhokho because why bukade uhamba indlela yakho all of a sudden akamuntu akasahamba indlela yakhe umuntu is standing right there now staring at you ukhupha nefone uphatha unefone ezimbini enye ibingase left and I'm like yo afasi yilento sobulala abantu yilento abantu sobathatha abantu sibathathe sibasaka goqanyawo thina abantu sobaphambanisa nemvula thina abantu thina yilento ke singafuniyo ke thina ukufumana firearms asifuni because kuzothi si-elte impulsive ntontomi impulsive what that is why bafazi andimfushane nakule moto iphezulu wayengalayithi green ngoku ilento ke thina sizofumana kuthiwa umuntu ugwetye udili kajele kuthiwa umdlavuze wamfaka isibhamu kanje wamdubulela nasematapireni wamenza ufinal destination abantu sizobenza ifinal destination because awazi amadoda basijongeni awazi amadoda usijonge undijongeni nizazi bani niyabulala xa sowubona into yokubana ndiyabona uba ngabe actually I'm being uncomfortable with you staring at me you are standing there yabona if into lesibhamu ke ngwabeza vele ndithi walk straight to him ndithi dwa because why are you staring at me rubbish capable killer man amadoda asile one day sizobathi dushu then up then one say dushu and then this it breaks about to hell break loose it means the top will break loose like the hell breaking what loose and then out to dushu then up ku break then the brain the mental the brain then it goes like a mud and then go like a final destination on the wall sizowabulala amadoda thina yilento singafuna ukuqala into yokuphatha izikhali because siyayazi uba singaziphatha izikhali akuthi uba we wouldn't be able to use that we are not getting close to the waypoint because we are afraid of who we may become we are afraid because azungicela ukuthola umhlahlela amehlo nizazi uba niyadlwengula niyabulala unijongeni udume uyeke indlela ubukade uyihamba you stand against the wall so that you can watch me closely and zoom me with your disgusting animal eyes uyayibona le nto yoba sizonidubula sizonigwaza ngoku gwaza umuntu apha identify umzimba wakhe ingqondo yakhe sekuyiphuza amandla yeah your brain will be a movite on the wall because you are some idiot staring at women creating suspicious activity nizofa yabona that's why singasondeli sagqibela ngokuyokwenza ezantu uthenza into koko gun range kuthiwa intoni lanto pha uya khona uyodwadwaza khona isibhamu to train yourself that's why saenda ukwenza ezazinto pha saphelelisa apho we never bought the guns because we know that's why sihlala kude nezikhali singasondeli neokapi singasondeli kwintoni singasondeli nasezibhamini sagqibela nje ngokuyotrain apha because asifuni ukusondela kwezikhali ngoba kahle sosebenzisa so siberekisa le nto ndithi ke mna ke angenditsho uba ndikho capable kunantsika you people are in danger lapha ePepe bafazi ngibone iswim ezinice njani zabantwana so since Uzimi I started swimming classes a month ago I thought I should add plus ndize apha ePepe man to also check more grey skirts because pani size beseziphelile Zimi come this side masiza kwelica next thing now is ndizingcolise ngetamati sauce next thing now I'm collecting my parcel from Takealot listen ndiyazigalavantele mall I'm not worried about pots because I cooked yesterday thina ke sinamadoda adla umbeko asina worry so I'm gonna take out Uzimi for the ice cream head to, or maybe we'll start there, take a lot, pick up my parcel, and then we head home. Bentenge izishweshwe, the 3 cats fabrics, 2 of them. I bought two different colors so that kuzophuma isishweshwe mhlambe ijarumani ne fast coat. Ever since my mother gave me 10,000 uba mandihambe ndiyothungisa as a newlywed, I've never like ndiyithathe serious loo nto, ndayitshawa laa mali. So ndifish uba I have to pay back, ndikhathe ndibe ngumntu ocacayo uba wanikwa imali kokwaba makathungisa iimpahla zomtshakazi. Mchakazi is the new bride. So if you didn't get that, I was saying my mother gave me 10K to buy different types of fabrics so I can go and your designer those Makoti attires to wear as the new Makoti. So nje because January was January, ndaichawa leo mali plus end of March we're preparing this whole relocation thing. So imali yasebenziseka shem. So at least now I'm in a good place. I will do those Makoti attires, and then after I will use the same lady I used when we were needing bridal dresses, not bridal dresses, man. Who are these people standing next to the new bride when the bride is getting married? Bridesmaids. There's a lady who did bridesmaids dresses, and well, she also did my reception dress. Yes, I will use that lady. I'll just courier the fabric home because she's my neighbor back in Dabankulu. Then can make a design of what I want, and she's definitely gonna do that. And another thing is, I was supposed to buy a stove, gas. And that money, Mama said I should buy the gas stove so that is the Makoti. I don't struggle when there's no electricity. It's part of impahla kamakoti. Ndayitya loo mali. Ndizenzela amabhadi perhaps. So ndifuna uba ndisithenge so stove eso uba kuse-bread loss, and then ndisithumele silandwe phaa emzini nam basithathe because isitofu segesi shem sakhutshwa ekhaya. Nemali yegoqo. Goqo is the wooden sticks to make the fire. You think that thing that you must put it entloko yakho when you are from the forest to deforest the trees, and then you use those sticks to make the fire, that thing. So my family already paid that. So besekusele uba bakhuphe istove. Leyani imali ke sana. So now Tanbonisa wethu. Hi, toodles for now. Ndikhathele mna. Bacon. Molweni bafazi. Ndicela xa ngaba nithi niyanithanda njengoba nithi nithanda genuine, nithi you love me genuine, ingajajani. Thou shall not judge another woman. We fix each other's what crown. So as I'm gonna be cooking here the vlog, nobody shall comment about my hair. Okay? Yeah. Because you're supposed to understand about Iko does not have time to go to the salon except for the weekends. Does not have time to go to the salon because the traffic after work. Yeah. So when I cook and then you see my nails that are hondo, and then you see that my hair is also hondo, thou shall focus on the content being created and be grateful and appreciate the effort done. Don't focus on the hair. Okay, now I'm coming back from work. I'm about to cook for my family. Okay, toodles for now.
heading to school, heading to work. But before I go, I wanna put in these clothes sisi apa washing, then I can hang when I come back. Or maybe I'll ask my husband to hang them for me if uzobe ngekho busy kakhulu namhlanje. Hello guys, it's another afternoon. It's Thursday, isn't it? I had to pass by the shops. Yo, long story. But yeah, I passed by ezivenkileni to do nje izinto ezincinane nje ezokuphekwa recently. It was not really a grocery. And then I'm so tired, guys. I'm so tired. I don't have veggies. I just bought a mixed veg. Veggie, ne? So no one ngati papa and nyama then mixed veg. I don't know. But then I don't know what to cook, guys. I don't know what to cook. I don't know what to cook, but I don't know what to cook. Bafasi ngeke. I will see what their vlogger, their finisher, or I leave the vlog a center, but I will see what I do. That's one thing you were never prepared for. You wanna lay into your phone fast. Anazinto. Unpack the plastic in an engine bonuses into engines tangileyo, and then see bandi qalisa nopeka. One thing that I want to avoid today, let yami yokugqiba ukupheka ngo-8, 8:30. Ufuna ugqiba ukupheka ngoku ube into ezokhawuleza kwa izitofu ezifuna uzibeka ku-6 zigxabhe, yonke into mavele igxabhe, thethwe into mavele ibe ngu-200 degrees Celsius. Isitofu masitshise phe, ujonga makutshise esitovini, enzela into zikhawuleze, imbizi ithu ibeke ibithi senditsho zinoske zibe nesirhoko but zizabe zivutshiwe. Azange into yaba yanuka isirhoko but ibe ingavuthwanga, izabe ivutshiwe. Bafasi
lights went down. When you feel lost in your shadow, don't feel alone, don't scream so loud. We are living in this cruel world, broken but strong, gotta move on. You're not a bakery of life. Equip my soul, find the real gold. I'll fulfill what I started.
Sunday from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. It's gonna be a business conference or meeting in one of the businesses, and we are one of the network marketing businesses, and we are going drop a guys and figure calling. Bye bye, Titi. Have a nice day. So I have that thing, and you're gonna formal pant at words. Maybe I'm being dramatic, but bruh, come on. It's a network marketing. What's this business? Don't. So I gotta look cute. I gotta look formalish. I gotta look very presentable. So then you find some formal pants in the woolies, and this was with another blazer. But when you're a busy person, I don't know if I should say specifically a woman. It was even better when I was, single, a home face, because I was staying with just me, my child. Guys, I don't think we talk much about that. Sometimes we lose even gatungalila, not because you are unhappy, but let's not talk about chores. Chores is chores, and just clearly like even when I was alone and stuff, just that I was not vlogging. You don't know my life before I got married. I'm talking about what, guys? I'm talking about being a woman. Let me just say woman, because there are many women who are not responsible. Being a responsible woman, being a parenting woman, kuninzi ekufuneki ukwenzile just nje on its own. Ndingafaka imitshato, ndingafaka intoni. Being just nje a woman, secondly a responsible woman, and then also be responsible put now a parenting woman. That thing is not easy. It is not easy, ne? Then standard wise mhlambe ufake a parenting that is working. Says 3 years into you are a woman, responsible parenting, and then we are sedents. You have your day-to-day job, your Mondays to Fridays job, 7:30 to 4 every day. You must be this professional. Person ongathi yena zonke izinto uyazibhala ngathi yena ubhadlile, ufuna ubhadle. In fact, that thing yobafuna kubhadlile. I think that's what always gets me. Alanto guys, I don't know if I once told you, we as a guys, when I think sometimes ngokumuntu and your preferences, once you have told yourself into bana I'm single, yabo, already I have so much plate in my hands, already I'm dealing with this and that, already yabo ndiya single mother man, yabo so kuningi ekufuneka ngikwenzile mina vele, yabo. You end up internalizing and then normalizing whatever life that you are living. Not that it's miserable, but in zamukuthi minimum nje also mamkele ngawe, and then on top you don't see yourself featuring now a third person now in your life. As in third person, I'm not referring to families and stuff. I'm just talking about this nuclear family of yours, which is you and your child. You don't see anybody now joining this nuclear family of you. Prof also concluded because of the circumstances. You have gotten used to you have gotten used to ezinye izinto ne ezobana ivele tuhlele ndiyazikhona mina kanjani. Then you adjust and then you internalize that, and then once you are internalizer, then so you normalizile, you live by it. So la hardship nje of being a woman nje uyasebenza, you always expecting a call that ungathi mhlawumbe umntwana uyagula, umntwana mhlawumbe ufumene rash. You are ready petrol wise to drive back, go fetch the child already. So nama connection in GP yakho, hey doc, I might be coming through in an hour or so ndifetch umntwana mhlawumbe. So understand wangulo gqirha thina ke bethu who worked in provinces ekungezizo ezasemakhaya to understand nangabantu aba uhamba uzenzela nje amafelana wakho amancinane. I remember my doctor, Dr. Khalima, oh God bless her. That woman, long story, I will tell you about her one day. But in Zamukuti, she's one of the
professional doctors nje ndithi nje doc hayi sani bathi umntwana that lady is going to be saying already describe the symptoms ukuthiwa utheni unjani okanye I'm driving ndiza kuye describe unjani ubushushu umva ngathi ushushu kwanyawo you can't tell unjani emahlweni unjani nje so describe by the time you figure there the doctor is prepared yani uconfirm whatever that she thought of when you were describing the symptoms. You should be someone ready for an email to yes esikolweni about a family parenting thing. You should be already hayi ngendiyangena hamba wena sukhamisa yo hayi bethuna abantu abahamba kancinci endleleni. So you should be always ready for ufumana nezo what is this thing called ezo meetings yiba ready for i-concert esikolweni yiba ready ukwenza lo mntana lona abe umntana normal uyabona njengabanye abantwana abanormal no matter the circumstance ojongene nayo njengangoku yiba ready ukwenza sure lo mntana lo mentally so ustable uyayiqonda ustable ugood for uba abe kwabanye abantwana ncedisa nge-academic performance yomntana ubone ngokubana amani ndicinga uba kunintsi okusezandleni zami uyabo and part of you knows bana it would have been nice yabo to have as well this type of now a life maybe added now in my life, then I'll be complete, you know. And then it's added, and then you see into bana, oh wow, really, this is what nyani bendidinga. I was not just saying it for the sake of saying it. Yes, I'm seeing it, I'm receiving it, and I'm enjoying it. Yes, just that of course yabona loo nto leyo bana nayo iza ke ngonayo nayo ngoku-admin. I'm not talking about chores, like I said, zininzi izinto uyawuncediswe kuzo. Obvious, okay, some of us siyancediswa qonda zitya, washing, intoni kucleanwe. It's not that. Nditsho nje la nto reasona, the first same reasoning that you were doing for that child ngoku ubuyisingle mother, now you're gonna do now the same now reasoning of thinking unaba now I've now another third person here. Usually now I have to now think now when I decide now I have to now consider now thinking now I have to think, guys. That thing can be overwhelming. It can be really overwhelming, especially if you got into this route already in your mid-30s. Come on, it means you've already developed some sense of independence. You've developed a sense of, I don't know, a growth and whatever. Nje kwa experience apha elifini nje noko soyigama nxile noko sobenzile u-60% wayo i-experience apha ebomini. So you just discovered into yobana you really apha kushobile. So guys, it's anything that you have to adjust. So you will think that xa kuthiwa umuntu hayi inoba uke waziva ne-fatigue nyana okanye nokukhathala nyana, it means yo inoba uyagqilazeka, yo inoba akekho happy, inoba it's just good digester nje. Life changes as they come. They can be overwhelming too. They can just create a moment of being just into feel by you and a whole entire husband to deal with. Yo hayibo bethona uyabona uye toilet nanku, uyalala nanku, uyahlamba nanku, uyatya nanku, usekitchen uyapheka nanku. Hayibo, you know, no one prepared us for that. Yes, we can be prepared in many ways ukuthi hayi ntontoni professionally mfundisi ikhaya bakuthi, but nobody took us to the exact experience and say live it for 1 week or 2 weeks and for 1 week and 2 weeks, experience it for how real it is, right? So I think such things, man, kwayilento ukuphila nje ngokunye ukuphila kuyakhathalisa ukuphila. So uphinde ukudibane ngoba ulivile uthanda ukuhlala endlini. Now you have to now keep other things now kanye other areas of your life now functional. I'm talking now about your business ecaleni. I'm talking now about your traveling if you have to travel. I'm talking now about balancing now the two families now, because ubuhlelonele yakho ifamily and then wa-adopta kule enye family. You gotta just do nje izinto ezininzi. Uyayiqonda loo nto level ubone ukuthi hayi fana vele ubone ukuthi so guys kuningi nje that we feel ubana hayi umuntu kufuneka ku-adjustile. We are just human at the end of the day. We learn every day, we adjust every day. Every day there's something that you always learn and say, oh wow, you know. So guys, I don't want you to always see me vlogging every day because I have all my shit together. Yeah, mhlambi ibonakala ngathi ndinayo kaloku shit yam together yabo. Maybe I have, just that don't think that a lot of just comes easy. Wow, you just know what to do automatically. You're having this thing easy, man. As an automatic task. Yeah, but it's not something that comes easy. Each and everything like single parenting. Nobody prepared me for single parenting, but this is how you're gonna be doing it. This is how you should be doing it. Jet go out to be a mother, and nobody gave me a counseling. You good day. This is how you should be a mother. You know, you'll mother, and then you see, I gotta improve here. And then you also use now your own experiences from childhood, what it is that you used to like, how would you have preferred things to be done, and then now you start to say, okay, since this is how I feel. For an example, I'll give him an example. I remember when I was 6 years, malume wayinthengele enye isuit nje skate in a blazer nje okay, maybe yayi nasty but ke kumnandi ngithanda yaqonda. Then all of a sudden umama ke ngumuntu othanda nobele yabo. So uBele is a kind-hearted person, guys. So she would once in a while always call people yabo, put her clothes there on the grass. People come, or maybe that whatever family that she has identified, or maybe a long extended cousin. She will call her to come, check if there are any clothes that the cousin may like, and then bless them with their clothes. So she did the same thing and now with my clothes this other time around. Was beka phayana, obviously zazingasanilingani and stuff yena. According to her, she felt like sanilingani or something. It's time maybe to change impahla. Was beka phayana ke bafika, remember kakuhle igama lakhe, inhliziyo yami yayibuhlungu ndaba lihlwile. Even when I cried, jangxolisa uba nililelane yabo. So that thing is one thing, that thing is one thing engayishiya ingqondo yami. It does not ever leave my mind, you know. I'm big when it comes to emotional intelligence. I'm very big when it comes to emotional intelligence. I don't know why. Even way before I could understand what actually is emotional intelligence. What does it mean when I'm so expressive of my emotion? What does it mean when I say I need to be understood when I'm not feeling okay? I need to be understood when I say I need to be respected. Even before I could understand what it means, I've been always like that naturally in a way from when I was a child. Hence I pursued a career Lena, because I'm all about emotional intelligence, which includes social awareness, individual awarenesses, and you know, there's nothing, guys, when as an individual and know what it is that you like, what it is that you don't like, and definitely what it is that you can never settle for, what it is that you can never compromise when it comes to your mental health, or your well-being, you know. And then immediately was understand about who you are. Definitely there's no way you wouldn't consider the next person, because automatically now you're understanding now but the next person uziva kanjani. Doesn't matter about lento yena ivibe iphethe kangakanani, the fact that yena uthi lo muntu this kuye ayihlali kahle okanye into ethile iva buhlungu kuye, then it's only mature of you to recognize such feelings and take accountability, and then you pass. It does not matter how petty it is phambi kobuso bakho, but to that person lanto leya ayivayo umuntu, it is not petty. So I've been having that motto ogogogo, you understand? So guys, ndizama ukuthi dayithatha lanto leyana ubana umntana wami sendibona impahla ziyamshiya, even at 3 esenamncinci 4, I would involve her xa ndithatha impahla ndisa mhlawumbi kwezimkhazi, mhlawumbi ndizosemsebenzini for charity ntoni. And then I'll talk to her, Nana, we are taking this one away we are giving other people because it's no longer fitting you. Also understand with me, this one is small. No, this one I want it. But I'll just respect her and keep that one item with those 2 items like uyabona lo ndizibeke pha yabo. Then ndiyazi ba as ixesha lihamba naye uzoba na 4 years next year. The more almost iminyaka ihamba, the child grows, even her reasoning grows, even practically she will see. So as a sayithanda lanto lana ba no, it's mine, I don't want. And then next year esafuna uyinxiba athi if want this umyeka ayilinganise, she will see that it's no longer fitting. Then that's when ke ngokunaka you will what, you will have an opportunity to say, you see, that's why Benti must piece ngai. Up until today, Uzimi knows that I don't take any of her items from the wardrobe without involving her. I will tell her. She will even say to herself, by this one, I think we should give it to Ngale. Ngale cousin, sister Yamening. We should give this one to Ngale. But I involve my child in each and every step. You know, I take into consideration about how she feels. Even when we're facing issues, when it comes to the father figure issues and stuff, when she went for counseling, I was allowing her to talk because now I would have a moment whereby, don't tata uyakwazi wena lo tata kubutya ntoni uyakwazi ungayikuye nje akuthengele nje sohlangu xa uba uyamazi uyihlo. It felt like it's a taboo when you've been born by 20 minutes when you've been born by out of wedlock, and then you ask about your dad, or maybe just out of buntwana you have into ehalelayo, and then now unayo lanto ohala ngase ungabreka about your father, or maybe even inquire something uzophoxwa. Ndizama ukuthi I grew up feeling like it is a taboo ukufuna okanye to want your dad. Not that I was prohibited access to my father, no. Ndizama ukuthi ebuntwaneni bam not even knowing about what was going on until I grew up and ndabona actually no, lo muntu ongandifuni ngulona lo tata lo muntu ongandifuni. This is the guy who does not want me, uyabona. So it's not like but actually hi bekade ndisali. Not that I had in mind uba ndiyalelwa shema, just that I didn't like how the whole communication when it comes to my father, it was not so tender. It was not so tender. Uyanibona uba ndikrazukile njengomntana, I have whatever fantasy that I have, but you are not being kind, you're not even tender with me in terms of communicating this message across, but uyenza rhabaxa, and it does not make things feel good at all. Even when it comes to that with Uzima, I was very tender with her. I remember I'm sending a psychologist so that she can digest the reality of how it is now, because of how mama is going through everything. As much as bakudali break up guy when she was still 11 months, but umntana ka understand because they've been like a very good parenting from this person. You know, mfuna uphosisa ku right umntwana wade wayiqhela lanto eyana ba every weekend uyalala. Now when that suddenly stopped, because now of the issues now ezivelayo umuntu now is this hayi wena odi just because uyi odi so umntana ngakazi understand bango what's going on, akazukwazi bango umntwana ngoku all of a sudden umama wakhe mhlawumbe is being ujongwe mhlawumbe for I situation ezithile ngenxa ba mhlawumbe ukuthi hayi dizothini because of now what she does now on social media. Now it means now it is affecting now the parenting. Okay, now she's now going through courts, now being sued for whatever now that is doing. And then now mhlawumbe umntwana uyakhalala. Yabona nto leyo fumaniseke ba umuntu ukhalala kwantu ukhalala naloo nto inokwenza naloo msebenzi. Yabona. So guys, ndizama ukuthi ke I was not harsh emntwaneni ba hayi suka ndixela mosiba kwenzeka kanje nakanje akafuna ukuthi umntwana uthetha naye kahle, umntwana uthetha naye kahle, umntwana uyamcenga, umntwana is a human being. It does not matter uba umntwana ukuyiphi age, umntwana is a human being. Kuyohlukana ndiqhaba human being engakanani, incinci okanye indalo okanye ingakana, but human being. You understand? So ndizama ukuthi guys ke sininzi izinto ongathi xa ujongile ucinga fanele ba yo lona na uvelazi baxa uqhamuka ipuzzle A kulandela puzzle B D F and K, kanti tu you just learn. Okay, sometimes you refresh from your past, or you refresh from how you grew up, and then you implement differently, and it's coming along very well, guys. It is coming along very, very, very well, because it means now when a lento wawubona ba wena uyithandi, we are starting to practice it in a very different way, which is cute and very matured of me. I think on that area I've really mastered that skill. Uyabona? So what else? Yeah man guys, sengiyafika emsebenzini. I thought I should just have that chat ukuthi kuba khona okwenzakalayo ne hayi okunzima shem okanye okutoxic because you know girl never stand i-toxicity but ndizama ukuthi nje kwauku-adjusta nje ebomini obutsha umzekelo nje kwau-adjusta nje kulo msebenzi omtsha uyayifila into yobana yeyi bethuni kwenziwa napho yenziwa kanje uqonde you answer overwhelmed kanti akho nto imbi qha kuku-adjusta in this new life now that you have that thing or that process will be always a process that is overwhelming like to anybody. To anybody, it does not matter how much you experienced when it comes to this field of work. When something uyifumana ingathi intsha in your life, you always like uzilile. Uhleli uyicingela nzulu because I even see my supervisor sithi kum, no Ikhona, don't be hard on yourself man, you're doing good, but you like, hey, this one does not understand, but it's not even about not doing good or what. I don't want to fail, yabo, I don't want to be a loser, I don't want this ba ukutshintsha kwam le ndawo ndize endaweni entsha ekudala ndiyithandazela ndifike ndingaperform, you know. So we are always worried and always not want to do bad. You always not want to do bad. Uhleli ufuna ukwenza kuhle because kaloku uhleli ufuna uzibona in the right track. And ke the reality is awusoze uhleli wena ukwi-right track ungefani bona you always get things automatically good nje kanjalo. Sihleli sizobhuda planned or unplanned. You know, we are not perfect. So ndizama ukutsho guys nami bayike zifike nje izonto zoba ngene be overwhelmed. Ndizibuza ba am I even in the right path? Am I even doing this wifing thing good? Am I even just still parenting this child? Uyakhula ngoyintombazanana, she's gonna be a teenager soon. I wonder if I'm role modeling what she must become now, okanye what yena she can see as a role model ebomini bakhe. I wonder ndiyenza kahle la nto yokudibanisa ifamily ezimbini, blending the families. I wonder abantwana bayibona into bana ndi open na to be their second mom. I wonder bazothinta sebebadala. I wonder zintona bazozibona xa ngaba sebebadala and say, remember when we were 7 years old, this lady said this and that, and it has been stuck in their minds since then. So we always have to pray for every move that you do because we will wound sizomosha ungekho planned. Let's just hope and always pray for the wisdom of God. We are always in the right path. Akekho umuntu ongafuni guys ukuba abe se right pathini. Wonke umuntu uyafuna abe se right pathini every day. Ngathi futhi ungahlela perfect every day, ungahlela perfect right. But ke wona ke ilewe ngazobenzakala into bana ube perfect. You are never gonna be perfect sana lam. You know, uzomosha, uzokwenza mistake, but what matters is that you learn from the mistake and never repeat it, ne? Then you do another mistake again and then you learn from it and then you never do the mistake again, and then you do another mistake. You know, so that's how you should be always prepared for in life. But kuzofakapheka every now and again kuyafakapheka, but be always easy to yourself because then ayikho manual ezovele nje ithi in order for you to get into yoga, so you have to do it like this and that. You will always think, but if I do it like this, it might come out like this, and this is how I desire it to come out, yabona. So and then once you do bon by yo ngathi it didn't, you maneuver uhambe yofuna futhi for another route. So that I wanted to say, guys, I woke up with that thought, just boost me ba, guys, ba, ndenza kahle na, wanda ndenza zona na, yabona, dinale business meeting coming up, means that you have to keep, you have to keep afloat, nje. You have to always keep afloat when you are a woman, when you are a mom, then now when you are a wife, na kona foot, nje, you have to always, nje, sencho, fast zama. Toodles for now.